Hey, this is Marcus on his exponential expression and equations, and what I'm supposed to do is explain how you multiply radicals. And so basically, if you have the same base, which is what's in the radical, are the same, then you multiply the outsides, and what you would get 8 times 4, which equals 32, and you leave the base alone. Next, you have to simplify, and 81 is a perfect square. It's 9, and so 9 times 32 equals 288. Next, you move on to the adding. It's basically the same thing, except you just add. Now, this one's a little harder, and so 3 squared is 9 is a perfect square, and so is 81. And they're both, and it's 3 and 9, and so you get that. And when it's squared, you take the base out, and you multiply it by the outside, and then you get 9 times 36, and 9 times plus 36. And 9 plus 36 equals 45. Next is a little harder with the exponents, and it's basically the same thing still. Just simplify. And 9 is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square, 3x has a perfect square in it, 2 squared is a perfect square. And so you do all that, and you get that. And then after that, you have to take all the squares out. And since there's no outside on here, you just take it out. No multiplying, no nothing. And then you get that, and then you multiply them together, and you get 144 x squared y squared over the radical x. And I'm finished.